Gout is a type of arthritis that causes pain, swelling, tenderness, and inflammation in the joints. According to the migraines, affect different body parts like the ears, wrists, knees, ankles, and small joints in the end. Foot soak is an inexpensive way for people to soothe their feet at home. A foot soak may help treat sore muscles and dry skin, while it may also promote relaxation and relieve pain caused by gout. For this foot soak, you will need baking soda. Baking soda is a staple in most kitchen, but its uses extend beyond cake making and freshening up the fridge. When it comes to foot care, a baking soda soak can soften the skin and make it easier to remove roughness. Soaking in baking soda also helps eliminate foot odors. So if your feet are in need of some TLC, give them a spot treatment with an at-home baking soda foot soak. Simply take a bowl filled with lukewarm water, add 1/4 cup of baking soda to it. The next ingredient you will need is Epsom salt. The crystallized compound structure of Epsom salt provides exfoliation of a dead skin on the feet. The foot soak may help decrease roughness and leave the feet softer. After soaking the feet is a great time to use an exfoliating tool to remove dead skin. Just add 1/4 cup of Epsom salt to it. The last ingredient you will need is white vinegar. Because vinegar is antimicrobial, soaking the feet in a vinegar bath for 10 to 20 minutes may help to kill the bacteria and fungi contributing to worse foot odors. Clean the feet with a regular soft soap before and after soaking. Just add a cup of white vinegar. Stir until an ingredient dissolves. Submerge the feet and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Part the dry feet with a clean towel. Hope this remedy will help erase the pain. Do share your experience in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.